Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. What is up, guys? My name is Hassan and welcome back, everyone. Today I'm going to give you guys my monthly update on my buys and sells on my Robinhood portfolio and the cash deposits I've been making in my account. So this is my Robinhood portfolio. So alhamdulillah, once again I was able to reach $40,000. For me, this is a lot of money. If we look back at 1 year chart, at one point we were at $50,000, $51,000, $52,000, but I'm just glad that we were able to reach $40,000 once again. And I hope to continue to grow this portfolio so that one day I am able to use it for a down payment of a house. And that's one of my end goals with this portfolio. So now we're going to show you for 1 day. Currently for 1 day I'm up around $30. If we look at it for 1 week, I'm up around 5% or $2,000. If we look at it for 1 month, it's about $4,800 or 13.7%. If we look at it for 3 months, I'm up around $600. And then if we look at it for 1 year, I'm down around $5,300 or almost 12%. And then if we take a look at all-time chart, I'm up around 18% or almost 19%. So I'm currently up around $6,200 without the dividend payment. So if I were to include the dividend payment, it's actually a lot higher than this number, $6,200. And you guys can see some of my holdings right here. So let's take a look at my portfolio. So we're going to go to account, investing. So my largest holding is AMD. It's currently at $100 and I have about 42 shares in this portfolio. AMD has been killing it last 5 or 6 years, and I continue to believe that they will keep beating the market. So let's change this by equity from high to low. And then I have Nvidia, 15 shares. So I think it will continue to beat the market. Texas Instrument, 14.8 shares. And then I have Microsoft, 7.3 shares. And then I have Danos Corporation, about 25 shares. I made a stock analysis video on this company, so make sure you guys check this out. And then I have Navios Maritime, about 59 shares. And then we have PetMed Express, 68 shares, 69 shares. And then I have Johnson & Johnson, 9.2 shares. So if you guys look closely, majority of them have one thing in common, and most of them, they pay a dividend. Pfizer, 30 shares, and then I have Contour Brand, 33 shares, 3M, 9 shares, and then I have CrowdStrike, 6.5 shares, and then Salesforce, 6.6 shares, Tapestry, 32 shares, and then Snowflake, 6.6 shares, and then we have Skyworks Solution, about 9.6 shares. My next holding, we have HP, around 18 shares, and then we have Devon Energy, 3.8 shares. So I also made a stock analysis video on this, so if you guys want, you guys can check that out. Guys, if you guys made it this far, make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. That way it helps our channel grow and we can reach out to more people. One of the main reasons why you guys should follow my portfolio is because I talk about unique companies hardly anyone else is talking about. Like for example, I have Airbnb, 3.5 shares, Cisco Marine Products, 68 shares, NetApp, 10 shares. So these are companies hardly anyone else is talking about. These are unique companies that have a very strong fundamentals or a strong income and balance sheet. And then we have Calaris, and then we have A.O. Smith, 14 shares, and then Grindrod Shipping, about 27 shares. So if we click on Grindrod Shipping, I would consider this as one of the high quality companies where if we scroll down and we take a look at their earnings, we can see that they're killing it in terms of their earnings. The last earning was around almost 183, and then before that was around 275, 2 something. In comparison with this price, they're making a lot of money. They also have a massive dividend payout. Even though it's saying dividend yield is about 3.6, I think it's more like 6%. Currently I have around almost 28 shares. So we're going to go back to my account, show you guys more my holdings. We're going to scroll down, and then we have Medifast, we have CrowdStrike, 6.5 shares, we have Navios Maritime, almost 60 shares, Skyworks, 9 shares, 3M, 9 share, Micron Technology, 12 shares. Majority of these companies, or almost all these companies, are high quality companies. And then we have Donald's Corporation, then we have Garmin, Sabina, Salesforce, Snowflake, PetMed, Express. And if you take a look at my cryptocurrency, I have two of them. I have Ethereum and Dogecoin. So this shows pretty much my holding, $40,000 portfolio. Now we're going to take you guys back to our buys and sells. So I just want to quickly give you guys an update on for the month of July. Count these up. I have a total of 13 different companies, or 13 different transactions that I made in my portfolio. See, one of them that I bought was in the month of July, AMD. Then we bought Devon Energy. We bought 3M. We bought Grinoid, Med, Clorox. We can see here that we sold it. We made a sale, and the reason it's in green, that means we made profit on it. If it wasn't in green, that means yes, we sold it, but we sold it for a loss. For Clorox, we made a profit on it. And then we have another buy we made in the month of July, Airbnb, Sabania, Salesforce, Contour Brand, MU, Calaris, and Garmin. So total transaction that we had for the month of July is 13 different companies. Make sure you guys do your own due diligence, because this is just a place for you to start your own investigation. These are solid companies, 13 different solid companies that you guys can further look into. And then on the right here, I have my monthly deposit. I need to update it, but still it shows us how much money I've been depositing into my account month after month. And it's really important that you guys are keeping track of this, in that way when you're depositing money in 1 month, if you're below your average, you should add more money to your portfolio. And that's one of the ways you can dollar cost average and slowly buy into your companies. And eventually one day your portfolio might even reach 40, 50, 60, even $100,000 if it hasn't reached that point yet. So again, this is a real portfolio with real money, showing you guys how real investing looks like over the long term. And my end goal is to use this money for a down payment of a house. As always, guys, if you guys made it this far, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. What a high quality company looks like, or a high quality company in the making. So we're going to show you guys Grindrod Shipping. It's currently at $19.51. We're under summary. If we scroll down, last few years it was down. We have like 2019, 272 million. And then, however, for 2021, they made 455 million in revenue. 2022, they're expected to make around 439, and then 351 for the year 2023. And then again, if we look at their earnings, say we look at it quarterly, remember that this company only $19 and it has a PE of 3. So they pretty much have a earning per share of, they're making $6.28, while the company is only at $19 a share. So they're making a ton of money. For 2022, they are expecting $6.28. And then if we look at their profitability, their gross profit margin is about 53%, and their net income margin is 29%, while the industry medium is 6.7% or 7%, while Grinoid is making around almost 30% in net income margin. As always, guys, if you guys made it this far, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. As always, thank you. Bye, everyone. See you guys next time.